Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to a wonderful video from Madian Valley, Safat. It's so beautiful in here, you can't imagine. Okay, so once you what happens once you reach somewhere in your life, you start enjoying. So I have reached somewhere, although still I have to go a long way, but I'm so happy. Anyways, in this video I'm going to tell you about multiple choice questions, how to deal with multiple choice questions and what to do and all that stuff. I'm wearing sunglasses, so it's important for me, right? Okay, anyways, as far as multiple choice questions are concerned, they are such panoti type of questions. Panoti means some sort of like unlucky type of questions that they may appear in any part of IELTS. They may appear in part 1, 2, 3, and if you are really highly unlucky, then in part 4 you may come across multiple choice questions. Okay, now if multiple choice questions appear in part 1, they seem to be the easier ones, or they are the easiest ones, right? Options are like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Options are like option A 1940, option B 1950, option C 1970. Options are like sometimes red, green, yellow and all that. Okay, when they appear in part 2, options are a bit longer, audio is a bit more complicated, and when they come in part 3, they are at their best. Okay, multiple choice questions are at their best in part 3, and there we have I'll explain them, okay, right? And in part 4, if they come again, options are long and they are sometimes complicated and all that. So I'll just give you some guidelines, although my videos are available where I have solved listening multiple choice questions, but here I would like to give you some guidelines how to deal with multiple choice questions. Now let's make a start. As far as multiple choice questions are concerned, they have two parts. Part 1 is questions and part 2 is options, and both parts are equally important. Now when you read question, you need to see what is the subject of the question. Sometimes question is a question with a question mark. When is the party? Sometimes question is incomplete sentence with 3 possible options to choose from. Sometimes question is about a decision. Question is about an agreement. What do they decide to do? What do they agree? So I mean, you need to understand all these things. Now in order to find the right answer in multiple choice questions, it is very important that you guys know how to eliminate the wrong option, how to eliminate the wrong choice. By the way, mostly they discuss all 3 options. Whenever they have multiple choice questions, they discuss all 3 options, but 2 options they discuss negatively, or they discuss oppositely, or this with a slight change. They actually negate that very option, right? For example, we'd considered, right? We thought, we had expected, things like that. So whenever they speak an option after that, that option should be denied. And mostly what happens, the option which is the right answer, they mostly reword that option out of ABC. And the options which are wrong, they mostly use them using the same wording, but they use one word. For example, unlike. For example, don't, not, will not. Okay, so they actually convert the statement into negative, and that is the wrong answer. So now how to do? When they give you half minute to read the questions, it's a good idea to skim read, to read the question carefully and skim read the options. Yes, very good. Now again I tell you, read the question carefully and skim read all 3 options, because when you read the question carefully, question contains the main information. And then you skim read. When you skim read the options, you need to underline verbs, nouns, adjectives. Because if there is a long option, when is going to be the next program? When is going to be the next program? So underline next program. When Very simple, okay? So like this, if you underline words and phrases, read the question carefully, read the options, skim reading, and within 30 seconds that they give you, you can read 5 to 6 multiple choice questions, and you need to do this practice as well. And once they play the audio, now you need to catch the option. For example, if they're discussing option 1, you need to catch option 1 and then decide, is that the right answer or wrong answer? After option A, if they jump to option C, so the words you have underlined, those words will help you track the audio. If audio starts from option C, you are on option C, you listen to option C while staying on option C on question booklet, and you realize it's the wrong answer, you cross option C, now your success rate is going to be 50-50 because you are left with 2 options. So through elimination, by reading the question extremely carefully and by skim reading the options, and then the audio is played and you are on the option, you can find your answers right. But anyways, elimination of the wrong choices will enable you to find the right answer on multiple choice questions, okay? My videos are available. You can watch complete videos where I have solved multiple choice questions, and these videos will help you. All the best, guys. I am in Madian Valley. It's beautiful. I'm enjoying my stay here. Thank you so much. I teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.